what's up, fam? Today, I'm gonna show you how to get in the game. We're gonna make some absolutely delicious fried flounder, easy recipe. Fam, and I got you in the game. Now we're gonna make an absolutely delicious fish fry batter. We got 2 cups of cornmeal, got 1/4 of a cup of flour, and we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of onion powder, and then I'm going in with about a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. And then lastly, we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And you can adjust this to your palate, to your taste if you like more. You can also add more if you like. So I got my flounder fillets here. Now this isn't like a gamey fish or whatnot like catfish, but what I wanna do is I wanna hit it with a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning before we put it in the batter. And you know, lemon goes well with fish and seafood, so this will give it a nice little profile when you take a little bite out of it. Now we got our flounder fillets where we want them to be with that lemon pepper seasoning. Now we're gonna put it in this cornmeal fish fry mixture, and then we just gonna dust this off. Hey, we're gonna take it straight from the bowl to the frying pan. All right, fam, we ready to go. We got that grease up to temp. Now these ain't gonna take a long time to cook. Yes, sir. Get them in that hot grease. Let it do its thing. Hey, we went 5 minutes. Look at that right there. Nice golden brown. Again, this is not like a big fillet, so it's gonna be, you know, less on time. But if you got a little bit bigger piece, hey, go about 7 minutes. But hey, look at that. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna place this on that cooling rack. Hey, we're gonna fry the rest of these batches. And if you're an OG, you already know, hey, if this is coming out in the backyard, you already know what you got. Fam, this is for my OGs out there. Hey, if you know, you know. You gotta hit it with that yellow mustard and that white bread. Now, if I was out in that cookout, I'm gonna have a bigger piece than that, but this is just a taste test, fam. Hey, we going back in the day. Again, cheers. Hey, just how I remember it. Absolutely delicious. Hey, we're in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, hey fam, don't forget on your way out, smash that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you can get the notifications as well. Don't forget to hit that like and then leave a comment. Now for my focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, the coach is about to get back in the game, call a few plays, and I'm gonna smash into this fried flounder. Yes, sir, we in the game.